Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity Car. The 2025 Lexus LM is here, and its exterior is nothing short of a masterpiece. This luxury MPV is designed to turn heads, combining elegance with a bold and futuristic presence. Every angle of this vehicle reflects Lexus' commitment to innovation and premium craftsmanship. Starting with the front design, Lexus LM features a massive spindle grille, a signature Lexus element that immediately grabs attention. The ultra-slim LED headlamps not only enhance its aggressive look but also come with adaptive technology, ensuring top-tier visibility in all driving conditions. This front-end design makes a powerful statement, setting it apart from any other MPV on the road. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Lexus LM showcases a sleek yet dominant stance. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating an aerodynamic silhouette that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The large alloy wheels add a dynamic touch, boosting its road presence. Lexus has also added chrome accents strategically to give it a premium yet sophisticated look. Now, let's talk about the rear design, which is just as impressive as the front. The full-width LED taillight bar gives it a futuristic and high-tech appeal. The sharp contours on the tailgate add to its aggressive styling, ensuring it stands out even at the back. The rear bumper is designed with a clean yet sporty touch, making the 2025 Lexus LM an absolute showstopper from every angle. But here's something to think about. If you had the chance to customize this design, what changes would you make? Let us know in the comments, because we want to bring you the designs that match your taste. The 2025 Lexus LM is a vehicle that defines modern luxury, and with your feedback, it can become even more exceptional. But wait, don't leave just yet. Here's something that will keep you hooked. Did you know that the 2025 Lexus LM is set to revolutionize the luxury MPV market like never before? This isn't just about looks, it's about making a statement. Its presence on the road demands attention, and if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly why this MPV is a game changer. If you love this design, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and tell us in the comments which feature impressed you the most. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video with another mind-blowing topic.